To remove the Discover People section on Instagram, follow these steps. On mobile, Android, iPhone. 1. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right. 2. Tap the three-line menu in the top right. 3. Select Settings and Privacy. 4. Scroll down and tap Suggested Content. 5. Tap Discover People or similar depending on the app version. 6. Toggle off Show Account Suggestions or similar options. Alternative method, hiding suggestions in feed. 1. When you see a Discover People suggestion in your feed, tap the three dots next to the suggestion. Select Hide or Not Interested. Instagram may ask for feedback. Choose this suggestion isn't relevant or similar. Note: Instagram frequently updates its interface, so options may vary. You can't fully disable all suggestions, but these steps reduce them. Would you like help with anything else on Instagram?